Hey everyone, my name is Jared Myers and welcome to my kitchen. Or not my kitchen. I keep meaning to record this at home, but I keep forgetting. So I'm just gonna do it right now because I'm tired of waiting to put up this video. I'm gonna show you how to build section base cabinets for an island. It's a little bit different than the section base cabinets I showed you that were along the wall. They have a little different build to them, not much, but for the most part, it's very similar. So this is going to be a very simple build. I'm going to run through it as fast as possible, hopefully faster than the last video. I think just about anybody can do this with just a little bit of patience, and sometimes it helps to see it before you do it. So with that, let's get into it. All right, so all of these cabinets come in a box. It's only a couple inches tall, and then, 30 by 36 or whatever it is, whatever the size is. So I'm just gonna open the box. What I do is I cut it open and I fold it over so that way I can use the box to put all the cabinets on while I'm building it, just so that way I don't scratch or scrape them with anything that might be underneath them. Then I go ahead and take this little box of gadgets and doodads and rip the lid off so that way I have it available and accessible. From there, I go ahead and flip over the cabinets. Then I go ahead and take these screws. They're screws / locks that help you go ahead and tighten down the cabinets with those kind of lock rings. So I just put those in across the bottom, and make sure you line up the channel, because the channel is where the back cardboard piece goes. And it's not cardboard, it's like a hard press board. Throw the dowel rods in there. That just helps keep things straight and together, and slide it on down and fit it like that. Then I take these little locking washer nuts and I put those in. There's 2 or 3 on each side depending on the size of the cabinet. Usually it's 3. And then you take a screwdriver and just tighten those down with like a 1/4 to a 3/4 turn. And you'll feel it tighten down and stop. Don't use a drill for that part. Then I go ahead and put dowel rods in the other part. And the dowel rods, they don't line up with the big holes in the sides. So that's one way to tell where the dowel rods go. So then I'll just flip up this other piece, and I'll just kind of hit it together a little bit to get it to fit. And then I'll go ahead and put those locking washer nuts in there. They grab at the end of that screw and just tighten the 2 pieces together. So now we're gonna put the back on, and we're gonna start with this metal piece, take it out of the plastic, and then you're gonna find these 2 plastic pieces that snap onto that metal frame. Pretty easy. Okay, now you're gonna put in the back piece, and it basically slides into the channels of the 2 sides and bottom piece. You can flex it a little bit to get it to fit. Then we're gonna take that metal piece with the plastic pieces on it, and we're gonna slide it on. And then we'll put screws in like that into the sides to hold it in place. And now you got your back on. Also, to help secure the back, you wanna put nails in it, and you want to put the nails evenly spaced all the way around. Now, for this one, you don't need to put these plastic pieces on. And then you put the other metal piece across the front to help keep things in line. Now we're going to take this piece right here. It's pre-drilled and kind of pre-marked for you. And you're just going to line it up. See where you need to cut it off with a saw, cut it off with a hand saw. It really doesn't even matter. Whatever works. And then what I would typically do is I'd take these metal brackets, put 2 screws in to them, see as they slide back and forth, put it in place, and then take the other screws and screw it into the sides. I found this way much easier than trying to put the brackets on the sides first. And you can do it however you want. That's how I did it. And then you need to put that last screw right there to lock it in place so it doesn't slide back and forth. Just like that. And then this is where I realized that, oh, I'm an idiot. I shouldn't have put these plastic pieces on it for the island. So for the island setup, do not put these on. All right, so that's it. You did it. You put together the Sektion Base Cabinet from Ikea for an island, for a freestanding island. Not the cabinets that go against the wall, not the tall cabinets that go against the wall, but freestanding cabinets on an island. That's how you're gonna put them together. It's super similar to the other two, but I just wanted to show you, don't put the plastic pieces on the bottom. And then you have that pressed wood piece that you need to cut down and put together, because later on, that's how you attach the cabinets to one another. So that's it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, because that just helps me know that I'm making the right content for you guys, and I want to keep making more. So if you liked it, give me a like, thumbs up, all that fun stuff. And until next time, see ya.